Hey guys, this is just gonna be a quick run video of my Kirby 561. It was actually a refurbished machine. It was refurbished in November of 1995. So, story behind this is, when I used to do lawn care, I trash picked this. It was a couple doors down from a customer's house, so I trash picked it. So this machine's gonna need some oiling and so on. The brush roller was squealing real bad earlier, as you'll probably be able to hear. But other than that, a quick cleanup, and a buff and a polish, and this machine will be pretty nice. So, without further ado, let's get started. Now, I know the carpet's two different heights here, so it's a little bit easier. I can go ahead and get back on the carpet that this is adjusted to. As you can tell, it's got really great suction. You can see it's actually pulling the rug up. Yeah, as you can hear, it hugs the carpet pretty good. Anyways, stay tuned for a restoration video of this, hopefully sometime in the next couple of weeks. Anyways, like I said guys, in the previous video, be patient with me. I have to get a tooth extracted on Friday, so I don't know how quickly videos will be out for a couple of days. Anyways, see you later.